Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download item not received case reports as an Excel, and the return case item, not as described return case, as an Excel as well. So eBay gives both these options. You can download it as a CSV file, and I will show you how to do that. Once you've logged into your Seller Hub, you have to go to Performance, and under Performance you will able to see an option called Service Metrics. Click on Service Metrics, and it will take you to the Service Metrics dashboard, and you can see there are two types, item not as described. This is for the returns, and this is an item not received. This is for items which are not delivered. So there are two tabs, and below that it will show you the time frame the report is based on, and you can select a different channel if you want, and the category as well. And here, it will just compare your performance with the sellers who are selling in the same category. So you get an idea how good you are performing, and if there is the area to improve. And right here on the right-hand side, it will just break down the reason for the returns. So if there are always two different reasons for returns. And so all this will be broken down, so you can see in which areas you can improve. And the last we can just click, download a report, and it will download the Excel file. So it's very useful if you do it at the end of the month, and you can just cross-check all that data. Make a decision from some of the cases, you might be able to appeal it. And the second tab, it's not an item not received. So in this case, this account has very high item not received cases. You can 1.5623 transactions not delivered out of 1,500. And you can download the report. So let me just run you through the report. So this is how the report looks like it. All the details, the buyer name, item no, the price, the tracking number. So we found out that most of the cases, it would be a good idea to download this report and cross-check the tracking again at the end of the month, because some of the items will be delivered. And in this account there were high cases because of COVID, and there were a lot of delays. And we cross-check some of the tracking, it's been delivered. So once we know that it's delivered, we will send a message to the buyer asking for the money to return the money. And we will also contact the customer care to remove the defects. So once we know that it's delivered, we will send a message to the buyer asking for the money to return the money. And we will also contact the customer care to remove the defects. So it will be useful if you download this report. I hope this video helps. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.